Wait to see what this L period does. If it pulls down here in this area, so I have this marker sitting here. I'll buy this L period because I think we'll be able to break these highs of the K, and then it'd be pretty easy to break these highs up here. I think we'd come all the way up to this level here, which is the overnight high. I just need this to pull down into here a little bit. Not necessarily all the way down to here, but 18 seconds. You can see this big node that they've been playing all day. They've been trying to push lower, and they actually got to the high from Friday over here, an H period and I period. It was really just H period because I was coming back. See if we get something down in this level. Right now you're just stuck on the POC here, so I don't really want to get involved there. We can get rid of this halfback overnight. This doesn't go anywhere. I'm just going to shut down. I'm done for the day. Just thought this seemed obvious. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I want to break that 880, so let's see if we get kind of a flush down a little bit lower. You can see this ledge in the profile right here. Came right to it that first time. So it makes me think we'll come down here a little bit farther. Get to 79.75. Right there. I want to start to see this snap back. We could possibly test this value area low down here. So have a random stop down here at 650. But you can see this node that you're playing right here. So at this point, we should really not go below this K. And we should start to snap back. And I'm hoping that snapback will propel us over this K. And we can bust some of these other highs up here. There's a little bit of a spring back. See if we can get some interest in pushing it higher. And I would think all these shorts, with the exception of H, they pretty much hit the goal they wanted here. And they just kept shorting, and they're not getting much for this. If this is all L gets, they couldn't even break K low. So I would assume if, as these start to give up, that'll propel me higher. First target's here at the 87.50. And then I'd like to put one up here at the 90.25. Thinking that would get back, break this C period, and that would take us right back to this overnight high. But, if we get up over this, I'll be moving the other stop up, and I won't be giving back any of this back. Not sure if this is exactly, the 27's down here, actually. So 86.50 is 27. But I'm really looking to get to here, 750. So this would get me to my 40 ticks here. So we could adjust this one down to 89.75. That would give me my 40 ticks, and it would front run this overnight high just a little bit. So we need to be at this one 89.75 on that one. So the key here is breaking this K high, or the first step. See if we can get some momentum. You can see they're already either sellers giving up or buyers coming in. Maybe a little bit of both. Either way, we need to get over this K high. A nice little push to the K high there. And move these up. I'm not interested in being in it if we're down here again. There we're at the K high, breaking the K high. The next target's this halfback right here. You can see they sold it right at the halfback. I think if we got over this J period, it would take out the rest of these highs pretty quickly. I would imagine there'd be some stops up here all along the way, and that would propel us up to this final target here. I like to have these separate just in case I want to tuck one under here. Might just be getting stuck on this POC. I'm using the Quantower trading platform in these videos. If you want to try it out, you can use the link in the description to get the free version. Plus, they'll give you a free 7-day trial of the full featured version. I'll also link my tutorial videos that'll help you set up your charts if you want them to look like mine. That's where the stop is sitting right now. This acts like this. If we do get up in this area and it starts acting like this, I probably will take one at about 20. Just above that actually, but up in here, I'll take one. It doesn't punch right through here. Separate these right now just in case I want to bring one down and take it out. This is really dragging on. 550 would be this front running this open halfback area. 525. Keep expecting this to kind of jump up to here. 85.50. $84.75 is 20 ticks. I'm gonna switch these around. 10 minutes till that M period comes out. I'll take one here if this just keeps grinding like this. It looks right to me, but just stuck on this POC here. We get one more push right here. We'll take the one at 85. This VWAP's at 85.25. I thought for sure we would at least get up to this area. I'll take that first one. Really making me work for it. Take two more at the 750 that's up here. But we're not going to let those, if we get up over this, like this J high, like I said, I'm not going to let that come back against me. There, we're finally over that 85. Take another one at this halfback area. Just working way too hard to get through there. And this 475 is my 20 ticks. So if we pop up here, I'll bring my stops up to this level. Right at that J high, right at the halfback. It's 475. Just don't want to go through another rotation with this. This late in the game, 2 minutes till end period. Just not interested in holding any of these if we come back into that level. There's a 27 ticks. $650 is 27. Take that one right there. We have one left. We have it at just above the 20 ticks there. And we'll see if we can get our, right here's that initial target that I had to break over the E. I'll give this little room to see if we can break over this. If we get over this, I'll move my stop up so we can secure this. How many ticks was this? 32. So I really feel like at this point we are going to break that E high. 775. We better take it there at the 30 ticks. Just wasn't confident in the way we ground through all of this. I just felt like it should have popped through here. It probably will now, and it's going to pop right up to here. So we got 30 ticks on that last one. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos on how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. 3 seconds, 1 second on the M period. Let's see if it pops up. It looks right. I just, the way it was grinding through there, I just didn't want to risk it. You know, and I was, with that last one, I was sitting right here at the 20 ticks, basically. Once we got past my 27, I didn't want to give that back. You can see that M would have taken us out there at the 27 on that last contract. I just thought there should be more excitement getting, you know, when people started seeing, especially when we broke over this J, when people started seeing it do that, I thought there would be more excitement that would really push us up there quickly.